relief from inflation in near sight. This is coming through in RBI's latest monthly bulletin, and it's our lead story tonight. Inflation, it's set to average far higher than 6% in the current quarter. That's what the RBI bulletin is indicating. Let's find out more about the details coming through in what the RBI perceives is going to be the inflation story in India. So yes, the genie of inflation is still out of the bottle. How will they contain it? Well, this is what the RBI's prerogative is going to be, but Ankur joining us from here in the Mumbai studios to tell us more about this bulletin. About the state of the economy and the inflation picture, where we are seeing price rises across the board. Ankur, what's the RBI saying about it?
Yes, Reserve Bank of India's State of the Economy article says that inflation is going to hover over 6% in the second quarter. Now, this commentary is important as you have seen the last month's CPI inflation data, which was a kind of shocker. It came at 7.44%, although Reserve Bank of India in its monetary policy has already revised its guidance for the whole fiscal year to 5.4%, and it was 5.1% earlier. But this commentary is saying that the second quarter CPI number is going to be over 6%, which is outside the comfort of Monetary Policy Committee. MPC has to maintain CPI inflation 4% plus minus 2%. So over 6% inflation is definitely not auguring well for Reserve Bank of India, and that is why they have continued to maintain the eye on inflation. In fact, the Reserve Bank of India governor in the monetary policy itself said that all actions as and when needed will be taken by Reserve Bank of India. Apart from that, the State of the Economy article also highlights about the risk of El Nino. It says that the shadow of El Nino looms over the second half of the year. It also talks about the crude prices, saying that yet another upside risk in the outlook of crude oil prices remain. As far as the liquidity situation is concerned, Reserve Bank of India's decision to include incremental CRR has been defended. It has said that after the withdrawal of rupees 2000 notes, there was a situation of surplus liquidity which was needed to be taken back from the bank, and hence this step has been taken, and later on there will be a review of the situation. The governor has already announced that it is going to happen on or before September 8th.